Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the TCL QM64L Mini LED QLED TV. I bought this TV from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same link for the best price and available offers. The first thing that impressed me was the picture quality. The Mini LED backlighting combined with QLED technology delivers bright highlights, strong contrast, and vibrant colors. Whether I'm watching movies, sports, or YouTube videos, everything looks sharp and detailed. For HDR content, this TV really shines. Bright scenes look impactful, while darker scenes retain plenty of detail, making movies feel much more immersive. Gaming is another area where the QM64L performs really well. The 120Hz to 144Hz refresh rate support makes gameplay look incredibly smooth. Fast-moving action stays clear, and gaming feels responsive whether you're playing on a console or PC. The Dolby Atmos support also helps create a more cinematic experience. Dialogue is clear, and action scenes feel bigger and more engaging, even using the built-in speakers. As a Fire TV, navigating apps is simple and fast. Popular streaming services are easy to access, and the Alexa Plus voice remote makes searching for content quick and convenient. I also like the overall design. The slim bezels help keep the focus on the screen, and the TV looks modern in any living room setup. Now the honest part, to get the absolute best gaming experience, you will want content that can actually take advantage of the high refresh rate. And while the built-in speakers are good, adding a soundbar can make movies even more immersive. Overall, the TCL QM64L feels like a fantastic all-around TV. You get excellent picture quality, smooth gaming performance, strong HDR, and a user-friendly smart TV experience at a very competitive price. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description. That's my experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.